Hi, I am Latoya DeSilva. I am an 18-year-old artist. I am from Exclusive Art, as you can see, and today my paintings are called, under the entire collection, it's called Magnifique. So, Magnifique in French means beautiful. So, my message I'm trying to portray is that all body types, as you can see, are beautiful in their own way, regardless of color, regardless of shape, and regardless of, any imperfections that you think you may have. They are all beautiful in their own way. Art as a whole, for me, is a bit of a release, as I believe it would be for all artists. Art as a whole for me really means a lot, and it meant a lot to me when I was younger, when I just started, because I was in primary school, and at the time I was being bullied because of my body, because I was a bit more on the chubby side. So I guess that's why most of my paintings now reflect around body imagery and acceptance and all that. So yeah, what else should I add? Zero. I'm sorry, we could do it back?
Yeah, you can take it.
I could just start over.
Yeah.
Okay. Just scooch down, scooch down. All right, let's go.